Is your implants going to look natural? Well, your implants, you're not going to be able to see them, or you're not going to see them because they're going to be buried in bone, but it's the crowns that are going to look natural, especially when that's my specialty in cosmetic crowns. If you're interested in whitening your teeth, we can certainly do that prior to placing the crowns. And then we won't place any crowns anyway unless you are 100% sure that that's the color that you want, because crowns don't bleach, implants don't bleach, only your natural or your regular teeth will bleach. So, you know, we have to have that conversation as to how much bleach that your teeth can take. And then once we're completed, then we can match the crown and the implant crown to the final color that you end up with after the bleaching.